Last night, the Sonoma County Public Health Lab received or processed some specimens for possible H1N1 swine flu virus, and had one case that returned. Of the 43 that were run yesterday, we had one specimen that came back as a probable case. The definition of a probable case is that by our PCR methodology in our lab, we're unable to further type it out as a human influenza virus, and that meets the government's definition of a probable case. The specimen has now been sent on to the state lab for further processing and further testing to see if it is actually a confirmed case. We do know that 95% of probable cases go on to confirmation, so we're treating this particular case like it most likely will be a confirmed case, which means that we've isolated the individual involved. We've asked her family to self-quarantine, not go to work, not go to school. This particular individual is a 15-year-old girl. She did not go to school at any time that we believe she was infectious. She returned from an area that has a high load currently of individuals with virus. In this case, it happened to be Mexico. She returned from Mexico earlier in the week. She was feeling ill upon her return, so she did not go to school. She was not by herself. She was traveling with other individuals. They are not sick at this point. We're doing a contact investigation with our public health nursing team to see if any other individuals are developing or exhibiting signs or symptoms of the illness. And we extend our investigation out from that as necessary. The family, like I said, has been incredibly cooperative. Well, they're being appropriately cooperative. They're being cooperative like we would expect of any resident. And they're self-quarantining. She's isolated. We asked them to isolate even within the household last night so that she's staying in her room so that there's no risk of further spread. And she is, by the way, recovering. She's feeling much better. We're glad that we got the result last night because we were able to stop her from going to school today. And consequently, no school dismissals have been ordered in Sonoma County. We're not planning at this point to order any school dismissals. We would approach that as more cases develop.